Keeping all of the applications on your Mac up to date can be a real hustle, especially if all of them constantly ask you to update to the next version when you're launching it the next time. One way to get around this is to use an application called MacUpdater. And I've been using this for years and it's been really helpful, especially when you're not using an application, but you want to at least keep an eye on it if there's changes that are coming up. MacUpdater essentially scans all of the applications that are installed on your computer, and then you have a list of which version you have currently installed, and then in green you have the ones that are currently also at the same level online, and then on the red ones you see which ones actually are due for an update. And then you can choose how you want to update the application here on the right. The Select Quick Update is selecting all of the ones that the system here, the MacUpdater application, can automatically update for you, while down here you have some which you might actually have to manually update with the built-in updater, or you even have to do it completely manually because MacUpdater might not actually know how to update these applications. Once you start the update process, MacUpdater will try to update all of the applications. Some it might not be able to because they're still running in the background. Some it might actually try to close to be able to update. There are a couple of things here and there that you might have to be aware of, but even to just know which applications have an update available, and then you can open the application and then manually install that, that is actually already part of the free version of MacUpdater and really helpful. With that said, update all of your Mac apps and I'll see you in another one.